Welcome back everybody to another Beater Box Friday. So shout out to you guys for always checking in, watching. I've seen a consistent amount of views for these for this video. And so I just want to say thank you guys for, being committed to watching every single mystery box I get. So today's mystery box does come from Sole Supremacy, and we're going to dig right into it right after this. So like I said, this box is from Sole Supremacy from their Beater Box membership, which is a closed membership, so you're not able to join it right now. It's super limited. Shout out to Hype Meets Heat. Shout out to you, Jacob, for helping me get this box, but also shout out to my other friend, Rob. So this box, I paid in total $1,050 plus $50 to ship it over here. So we are in this box for $1,100. So this price range is pretty good. We are gonna get into it. Every shoe I show you, there will be a counter over here that will tell you not the exact, but an estimated market value for the shoe on the secondary market. Now, that doesn't mean that's just the price I'm gonna sell them for. If you want to see what I actually sell them for, you can go ahead and follow my Instagram at The Real Sneak Peek, or you can also check my eBay. It will be listed in the description box down below. And at the very end of the video, we're gonna go ahead and tally all of this up, see how much it's worth, subtract the cost of the box, and then we're also going to see how much profit we're really gonna make. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. So I am super excited to open up this box. It's been a while since I've had a Sole Supremacy box, at least it feels like it. And so I'm kind of excited to know that I'm for sure gonna make some decent money on this. So we'll try and give you guys a quick sneak peek. All right. Ignore my stupid face for the, what's it called? The thumbnail, excuse me. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this. So we do have a older box here. It is a size 11, but the box says that it is a women's Air Jordan 5 low. So that is exactly what we have in here. So these look like, almost like the wolf gray lows. This almost looks like a pure money type of colorway. So this is a Jordan 5 low. And sorry if the lighting's bad here, but these aren't too bad. I feel like the rubber is kind of soft, so you might be able to wear it, but it is a 14-year-old shoe. So size 11 in women's does convert to a size, what, 9.5, I believe. So overall, the shoe's not bad. Yellowing on the soles, a little yellowing on the midsoles as well, but the uppers look pretty good, and it does come with these lace locks. So nothing too bad here. I do think these are probably gonna be a harder shoe to move, but it is also kind of rare, so those are always a toss-up. Next up, we have a pair of Jordans in a size 8, and yes, so we do have a pair of black cement 3s. I love getting these because these always fly. I already sold a pair in a size 8 not too long ago. I love getting these. This is the Nike Air version, but the bottoms are looking good. They're a little dirty, but the star count is pretty much all the way there, and no paint cracking on the midsoles. That's what I love about these newer Jordan 3s. There's a lot less cracking, and the uppers look really good. So the toe box is just slightly yellow, but I don't mind that just because I know I can fix that. It's an easy fix, and these are probably gonna be an easy 250. At least that's what I think. So definitely love that shoe. I'm gonna pull another pair of black cement 3s out. So these are a no box pair. I think it's the only one without a box, so that's pretty nice. These are a size 4Y. So for some of you females who have a smaller foot, size 5.5, these will fit you. I know it's harder to find shoes in your size, but these are really clean. Like, looks like they were probably worn once. Start count, heel drag, there's like nothing there. Uppers are super clean. So they just probably need a quick little wipe down and they'll be good to go. So I'm actually super excited. I got 2 pairs of black cement 3s. I'll never complain about that. So we do have a couple Yeezys in here too, which I'm not the biggest fan of Yeezys just because it has been low-key harder to move just because there's so many Yeezys out there. So we'll see what I get. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These are a size 10 from Stadium Goods. And this is the, I think, Desert Sage colorway. So I actually like this one. It's a little bit of a crazier colorway, but as we look on the bottoms, they are worn. They're not super terrible. I mean, the boost is dirty, but I mean, honestly, after you wear these like 5 times, like the shoe's just gonna look super beat on the bottom. So the insoles are pretty worn in. So I would say someone probably did use these kind of a decent amount, but there's still definitely a ton of life left in these. So I don't mind this shoe. I think it's a cool colorway. And this is a size 10 if I did not say that before. So these will be up for sale. And then we have another 350 box right here. This is also size 10.5 this time. So in here we have, we do have a pair of the Beluga 2.0s. All right, so over here we do see some more heel wear, definitely a lot more used of a pair. It is also an older pair, but still, I don't think these would probably fetch too much. I know that these do go for a decent amount for dead stock prices, but used in this condition, I'd probably say someone could definitely get a good deal out of these, just because I don't think I can really sell them for too much. Definitely a classic colorway, super clean, super basic. I mean, nobody's really gonna look at the soles of your feet because the uppers are really clean. So not bad. Let's see here. So we do have another 350 box. Let's see, it's a size 10. So like I said, I think someone sold their Yeezy collection. And we do have a pair of the Bread Yeezys. So these recently just restocked, but I believe that this is the older pair because there's no way someone beat this shoe that fast. The uppers are, like I said, uppers are always clean. They're good to go. The bottoms do have more wear. This one you can see some heel drag, and the other pair also has some heel drag. So like I said, these ones probably go for the low, especially right now because the hype is kind of bigger on these right now because they just released. I think I could probably sell these a little bit faster just because they are used and people kind of want to wear what's new, even though it's technically like retroed or restock, whatever you want to call it. And can you believe it? We have another pair of Yeezys. Oh my gosh, as soon as I said like I don't really like Yeezys, I'm not the biggest fan of Yeezys just because it has been low-key harder to move. I get 4 pair of Yeezys. So, all right. Anyways, this is a size 10. This is a pair of the Static Yeezys. So I believe that these are probably not the non-reflective ones. Again, these ones are used. There's some heel drag. Whoever had all of these, bro, you keep dragging your feet, hurting the value of your shoes. So this is probably one of the colorways that I do actually like. So it's not terrible, it's not bad. It's more of a whitish color. I like it though, because it's like white and gray. Very clean, very classic. So like I said, the uppers on this one are clean. It's just a little bit of wear on the bottom and some light heel drag on this pair. So I honestly don't think these probably will go for too much either, just because I'll also want to just get rid of them. So if you like Yeezys and you're a size like 9.5, 10, this is probably for you. So we have 4 pairs of Yeezys, 3 pairs of Jordans, and we have 1 more pair of shoes left. So right here, we do have a size 9.5 Air Jordan 3 Retro. So, boom. Oh, these are clean, bro. So these are a size 9 of the, oh, dang. I remember I wanted a pair of these. Even like the rubber here is more like, it's not even like paint. It's almost like a weird rubber that's covered in like a thicker layer of paint. I don't know how to describe it. Hopefully you guys can see it as we look up close. But these are honestly only worn like a few times, like maybe like 2 or 3 times it was used. These are super clean. So these honestly just might be like pure money 3s, or the laces are also super cool on these. It's like the cement print. So dude, if I was a 9.5, I'd probably be rocking these straight on foot right away. The midsoles feel perfectly fine. Like I don't see these crumbling at all. So these are from 2009, so not too old. It is 11 years old, but like I said, these are super clean. Honestly, for a $1,100 box, I got 8 pairs of shoes, and they're all pretty good shoes. Like honestly, like I think the worst shoe in the box is probably the Jordan 5 lows, just because, and it's not even because they're bad shoes, it's just because it's like a rare shoe to sell, to find. So I'm super happy with this box. Honestly, like there's good money to be made. So over here, we are gonna check out the counter right now, and we're going to tally all of this up, and we'll show you how much this all goes for on the current market. So this is the total amount for the box. This is how much we spent on the box, so you gotta subtract it. And then that leaves us with a total profit of this number, which I am guessing I am pretty happy about. So, like even the Yeezys, I know I don't really care for them, but if I price them low enough, I know that they'll sell pretty fast. And so given the bigger profit range that we do have to play with, I'm pretty sure I can make some good money from this. This is a great box, at least for me. I do think movability wise, I probably rate it like a B. I think Yeezys will move if you are pricing them right. If they are used like this, I think there are some people who are just gonna wanna buy it just to rock, and they don't care if they become their beaters. I think the profit range is great. I really do. I think there's plenty of room for profit. So even if I don't sell like the other Jordans, I could still make a good amount of money. And I think size-wise, I think the sizes are really great. I mean, of course, there's the one grade school size, but that's a tough size to sell for why it is a little bit harder and rare of a shoe to sell. But having only one shoe size that is kind of like not in the most common size range, this box is pretty good. So I'd probably, honestly, like Sole Supremacy always sends like at least like a B+ box, I think, in my opinion. So this is awesome. I'm super happy, and I'm so glad that you guys got to join me in unboxing this. My one ask for my birthday that I had, my birthday was December 11th. The one birthday present I could ask for you is I want to try and reach 3,000 subs before the year is done. We're almost there. There's probably only 1 week left when you guys are watching this. So if we're already there, awesome. If we're not, keep pushing, keep sharing. I appreciate the support and love. Truly, it's been an honor. So I guess that's it. So I guess we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.